Hey guys, it's Vid. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a product that I love, and I think you guys will love it too once you get your hands on it. Now, I'm going to start by asking a question. Are you looking for a unique and creative way to decorate your living space, your bedroom, your home office, or your desk setup? If you answered yes to any of those questions, look no further than Displates. Now, in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys the Displates that I ordered. I'm going to also give you guys my honest thoughts, as well as show you guys how I use mine to enhance my living space. So let's not waste any more time and get straight to it. So many of you may be wondering, what exactly is a Displate and what's so special about it? Well, simply put, they're metal posters, so they're going to be a lot more durable than your standard paper posters. This durability also means that you don't necessarily need to use a frame to hang your posters if you want to protect them. In addition, Displates are available in multiple sizes, which means that you can find the right size for your living space. Lastly, Displates can be mounted super easily, as all the tools that you're going to need are going to be available right in the box. On the back, it says, "Who says a small poster can't start a big collection?" Flipping it over to the front, it has the Displates logo as well as a link to their website in the bottom right corner. Upon first opening the box, we see the poster presented to us, protected by this plastic wrap. These do seem to be very high quality upon first looking at them. We're also going to find a piece of cardboard in between each poster. This is for protecting them during transport. We also get our mounting gear at the bottom. We're going to take a look at this more in detail in a bit. At the very bottom, we also find a QR code that's going to lead to a link. Here's another look at the mounting equipment. We see that there is a protective leaf, as they like to call it. This is to protect your walls from sticking a magnet straight on it. There's also the magnet that's going to hold up the poster, as well as a cleaning wipe for preparing your walls for installation. Upon lifting the cardboard from the poster, we see our installation instructions up at the top. It gives 4 easy steps. Below that, you're going to find some safety information as well. That's the poster. After taking the poster out of the plastic wrap, I must admit I am very impressed by it. It looks amazing, and I can tell that it is very high quality. Now I can't wait to see how this is going to look on my wall. Here's the first poster I got. This is a poster of the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. I'm a huge car guy myself, and this is my dream car, so I decided to get a poster of it to hang in my room. I decided to go with the matte version for all of my posters, as I do have a lot of natural light coming in my room and I want to reduce the glare as much as I can. Here's my second poster. This one has 7 rules of life, and the reason why I got this poster is because I wanted some sort of motivational poster to hang in my room, and I really liked how this one looked online. However, upon first looking at it in real life, I think I like it a lot better in real life. The last poster that I got was a space-themed poster, and I like this one because it has a lot of blue elements and it's going to complement the blue elements in my room really well. I was a bit skeptical about how this one looked, as I saw some bad reviews about a lot of these Displates online, but I will admit that I am very impressed with how it looks in real life, just as I am very impressed with all the other Displates I've ordered. Now that we got everything out of the box, it's finally time to begin the installation process. Let's begin by first grabbing what we need. We're definitely going to want to have a ladder nearby, as well as a measuring tape, and you also want to move your furniture out of the way and move any electrical equipment that you might trip over. The installation process for Displates is going to be very straightforward. First, you want to peel off the protective backing for your protective leaf, then stick it on the wall. After 30 seconds to a minute, you want to move on to the second part, which is placing the magnet. For this, you just want to peel back the magnet's protective backing and place the magnet within the square on the protective leaf, and then apply force to secure the magnet to the protective leaf. Finally, place your displates on the wall. The process is going to be the same for all displates you order. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Now if you like this video and you want to see more content in the future, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and wait to see more content. That's all I got for today. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.